Well, I thought I'd do a quick video on this one, considering this is what I'm going to be starting on. Well, technically I started on this quite a while ago. Just been slowly getting bits ready for it. AU Ute, BA Tub, started out column auto, bench seat. As you can see, got all the floor pans stripped out, all the interior's gone, dash. Painted all the door jambs. You've got to give all that a touch up, that didn't stick too well. 18s under it, painted up all under the guards. Cleaned out the engine bay. I'm going to paint the engine bay too, just in black. I've spent quite literally like 5 or 6 hours with the gurney, blowing out all the chassis rails on these, because these have got a habit of collecting dirt in all the chassis rails and ending up rotting out and cracking at the back of the cab and things like that. Still got to paint this door jamb. The basic idea with it is, got this SR here, which is 5-speed manual. So the dash, console, seats, front doors, guards, entire K-frame, steering, suspension, motor, everything. The entire front end will get swapped into the ute. And yeah, then I'm going to respray it. Got some paint that's it's a very similar shade of blue to that on the BA tub. So yeah, basic idea is I'm going to throw this one together, clean it up, get it done, and then sell it. Kind of need the cash because yeah, I've just pulled the pin and bought 2 XD utes, one of them V8, and yeah, I'm going to need the money to splurge and put in on that. Another little update, Mum's wagon is running, it's got the motor in it, drives under its own power. Motor's in. Runs really good actually. Got some of the interior done. So this is why I ended up getting the motor in this thing, was I needed the space for all the extra stuff. Got Fairmont seats and dash and console and carpet and all that in it. So yeah, that's one of them pushed aside for now things again. Get this thing done, thrashed out and get it gone. And then yeah, when I pick up the other shell, the other XD Falcon Ute, I'll do a video on both of them and show you what I got. But that was just one of them can't knock it, gotta do it kind of things. But yeah, I'll do updates on this as I thrash through it. Catch, have a good one.